Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another kinda sunny video. We got Smokey 2 with us, and in today's video I'm going to put the Forge Motorsport exhaust on there and the Forge Motorsport intake. So we are here in the middle of freaking nowhere. There's nobody. There's a Suzuki Jimny over there. There's another Suzuki Jimny coming my way. When you were absolute in the freaking nowhere with your Jimny and another Jimny is just passing you by, that's... yeah. And I thought this was going to be a relaxing video. Cows do not agree. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a drive-by and a launch first, so you can hear the exhaust, put the exhaust on, come back and make some more sound. And that's how a stock Jimny sounds. And like I said, it's a rear wheel drive, so you can do some drifting with it. The cows have shut their mouth, or beak, not really sure. I think a cow has a beak. Anyway, let's get back to the garage, unbox the Forge Motorsport exhaust, and let's get working. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was going to unbox this and use the knife and make a really awesome unboxing video of the Forge Motorsport exhaust, but I couldn't resist and I opened it already. Look at this monster. So smooth. Welds looking really good. Can you check out the welds? Can you see those welds? Look at that. Really like this brand. Used to have some stuff from them on my Hondas. Yes, I have owned over 10 Hondas, so I know a lot of things about Japanese cars. Not that much, but I know some things. And of course, we don't need to be at the front of the car, we need to be at the back. So let's get underneath this thing. Not really sure if I can get underneath or jack it up. I mean, I could just crawl under there or... So yeah, jacked it up. Seems to be pretty solid, but just in case the jack drops, I got these extra protection thingies. Just in case, you know. You guys know what the loop's for. It's for those rubber attachment thingies to the exhaust. Weep. That's part one. God dang it. Whew. So over there we got the original one and got the Forge one, but I ordered a full exhaust system, so we got more to do. And if you guys got a brain like me, your brain is probably thinking like, how does it sound without the rear exhaust? Let's try it out. That wasn't even that bad, was it? And again, to get the long part out, the catback as we call it, it's just 2 bolts and a little rubber thingy behind here. It's like a 5-minute job. Getting back underneath it is, I mean, yeah, Houston, we have a problem. Like I said, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Yeah, dang it. Stock exhaust, forge. And again, we are back. We didn't remove 1 muffler, we removed 2 mufflers out of 3. So you guys are probably thinking like, how does it sound now? I can't do that. I can't start it up right now because, well, it's too much. It's too much. On YouTube, everything's possible. Let's start it up with only one muffler. I'm not sure how that sounded from your perspective, but from inside the car, it sounded pretty good. But you can't drive around like that, can you? Yup. That looks pretty dope. Now last but not least. Now that check sounded pretty hilarious. Anyway, start it up, get it outside, and let's do a drive-by. Ford MOTORSPORT, catback, exhaust. And we are back. Yeah, when I arrived here, the cows were pretty silent. They had their lunch, I think. But they started making a lot of noise again. Not really sure if you guys are gonna hear a difference, but let's see. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Peace.